Today I'm going to be installing a carbon fiber center console armrest cover on my C8 Corvette. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Scott and today I'm going to be showing you how to install a carbon fiber center console armrest cover from Extreme Online Store. Now, I always tell you that these are simple installations, but this one here does not even require sticky tape. This one actually has a little bit of a lip around it. I'm going to bring this up to the camera so you can take a look at it, but it literally just goes right onto the armrest cover and snaps over. And you can see that this is a genuine piece of carbon fiber. It's a beautiful weave, and you can totally see that it is completely genuine. And take a look at the beautiful weave. It matches all of the other carbon fiber parts that Extreme Online sells. And so this is going to be really simple, very fast installation, so it's going to be a very short video. So sit back, relax, and I'm going to show you how it's done. Okay, so we're in the car now, and we're just going to go ahead and we're going to put our cover on. So we're going to open this up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put this back corner on over here. This seems to be the one that's a little bit tight. So we're going to go right there like that. We'll get that in there like so. So it's nice and snug in there, just like that, okay? Then we'll close our lid, and then we'll go ahead and be able to snap it over the edge. And you can see right there, that's as simple as it gets. So you can see right here that it's all nice and smooth. It opens and closes real easy. It doesn't affect the operation of the lid at all. But one of the best things about it, it looks really nice, and it continues this flow all the way up the waterfall. And the other thing that I want to be able to point out is that this is also protecting your center armrest. Okay, so you don't have that being worn out. So it just looks really nice, and like I said, it just continues with the weave of all of the other parts that they have, that Extreme has for the car. So guys, I told you it was going to be a real easy installation, and it was. You saw how short this video is. So if you're looking to be able to get any of these carbon fiber parts, not just this armrest cover, but anything from Extreme Online Store, feel free to reach out to extremeonlinestore.com or reach out to me, and I'll put all of my information right here up on the screen, and I'll be able to get you a discount on these parts. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I know it's very short, but I wanted to be able to get that out there to show you just the quality that is going into these parts nowadays, and it just looks so good. I'm just so tickled. Every little piece I put on my car, I'm just that much more tickled. So guys, stay tuned for more. We're going to be doing a whole bunch more videos, so stay tuned. And again, those of you guys that have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll be alerted of our next uploads. And guys, again, thank you guys all for watching. We'll talk to you later.
Wow.